Hello and welcome back. Today's lesson is called Parler de sa famille et ses amis, how to talk about your family and your friends in French. This is one of the most common conversation topics, and it's also a popular subject in the TEF and TCF speaking exams. In this lesson, you'll learn how to talk about your family members and your relationships. Use the right words to describe your friends. Create short, natural phrases to describe people. Answer basic personal questions in a confident way. These are all very useful in both daily life and the oral exam. And don't worry, we'll take it step by step together. Here are our goals for this module. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to say who is in your family, describe your relationships using simple vocabulary, talk about your close friends, describe people using adjectives, respond to TEF-style personal questions clearly and calmly. If you repeat after me, speak out loud, and take your time, you'll already be making great progress. Let's begin. Let's start with some family vocabulary. I'll say the word, and you can repeat it after me. Mon père, my father, ma mère, my mother, mon frère, my brother, ma sœur, my sister, mes parents, my parents, mon oncle, my uncle, ma tante, my aunt, mon grand-père, my grandfather, ma grand-mère, my grandmother. Take a moment to repeat these out loud. If it helps, try to picture someone from your own family as you say each word. That'll make it easier to remember. Example phrases. For example, j'ai une sœur. I have a sister. Mon père s'appelle Jacques. My father's name is Jacques. Ma mère est gentille. My mother is kind. You can mix these with other words you know. Ma sœur habite à Lyon. My sister lives in Lyon. Mes parents sont professeurs. My parents are teachers. Practice saying 2 or 3 phrases about your own family. They don't have to be perfect. Just try. Now let's talk about friends. Here are some common words. Mon ami, my friend, masculine. Mon ami, my friend, féminine. Mon copain, ma copine, friend or partner. Un camarade de classe, a classmate, un voisin, une voisine, a neighbor. Now some examples. Mon meilleur ami s'appelle Karim. My best friend's name is Karim. Elle est drôle et intelligente. She is funny and intelligent. Think about someone you're close to. Can you describe them using 1 or 2 of these phrases? Let's try. Mon ami s'appelle. Il est. Or, elle est. Take your time and try building a full sentence. Tes sœurs, comment s'appelle-t-il? Tu as un meilleur ami? Où habite ta famille? Comment est ton ami ou ton amie? What are they like? Answer these out loud. If you get stuck, just go back and use one of the examples we've already practiced. Remember, short, clear answers are better than long, complicated ones. Before we end, let's go over some tips for the TEF or TCF speaking exam when talking about family and friends. First, prepare a few people you can easily describe. A sibling, a parent, a close friend. Second, use simple adjectives. Gentil, drôle, petit, grand, intelligent. Third, if you don't know a word, describe around it. For example, if you forget grandmother, you can say la mère de ma mère. And most importantly, don't panic. Speak slowly, stay relaxed, and keep going. Confidence and clarity are more important than perfection. That's it for this module. You've learned how to introduce your family and talk about your friends. Great work. Practice a little every day and you'll see big progress over time. I'll see you in the next lesson.